Hi guys, you are watching Art Vivek Roy. Today I am painting with watercolor a paid work portrait. So guys, watch till the end. Hope you like it. And if you want to make your own portrait, so please contact this WhatsApp number which is displaying on the screen. So guys, at the end of this video, if you like my video, so please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for further notification. So guys, keep watching and till the end and connect it with the Art Vivek Roy. Guys, I am using 300 GSM paper, Brustro and Camel Artist Watercolor. So guys, you can use the color pigment is good, but if you use the costly material just like Senilier watercolor, just like Winsor Newton, this watercolor product quality is good and price is high, so you can use for the commission work. I am using slightly Senilier watercolor because it is commission work, so I have to do this work properly for the paid work, because this is my responsibility to do the painting as per the client request. So guys, keep watching. Guys, these two photos are totally different background and totally different picture, but the client request was to paint this picture with clothes and with same background. So I have tried to my best and I think I have executed as per my skill. So guys, it was very challenging task to draw the different picture with the one canvas. So I have done. So when you will take this type of commission work, through this commission you can experience your skill, you can experience client various type of request. So I think if you like or if you feel that you are professional, so definitely do commission work, then you will get many types of experience.